I am Mrs. Divya Soni from Maa Kalyanika Public School, Pindra. Today we are going to start our part 2 marathon story. Students, in part 1 I have told you about the actual story of marathon, of the place marathon, how it was run by a great athlete named Philippides from Athens to Marathon, and how they won the war which was fought between Persians and Athenians. Okay, in this part we are going to study about the modern Olympic Games and the modern marathon race that is run for a particular distance. Okay students, the modern Olympic Games were inaugurated in Greece in 1869. So, in the previous video, I have told you about the story between the Athens and the Greece. Okay, so our modern Olympic Games were also inaugurated in Greece. That was in 1896. The legend of Philippides. Why the legend of Philippides? Because he had run the almost 520 kilometers of the distance within 5 days or in almost 5 days, and it was a legendary for him because he has fought the battle also, he has ran the 520 kilometers of distance also. So in his remembrance only this marathon race is run. Okay, the legend of Philippides was revived through 40 kilometers run from Marathon Bridge to the Olympic Stadium in Athens. Previously, it was only the distance of 40 kilometers that was from the Marathon Bridge to the Athens Stadium. Okay, that is the Olympic Stadium of Athens. Okay, but afterwards, 385 yards were included more in the distance. Why it was included? Let us see now. In 1908, on request of royal family, royal families are who are known as the royal family, the kings and queen and the children are known as the royal family. Okay, on their request, so that their children could witness the beginning of the race, so on their request, 385 yards were added to the run. To the 40 kilometers of run, 385 yards were more included in that distance, so that royal children could witness its start, and the total distance from the Windsor Castle, the palace where the royal family used to reside, was known as the Windsor Castle. So, the total distance from Windsor Castle to Olympic Stadium now became almost 42,195 meters. It was almost 42 kilometers and 195 meters from the Windsor Castle to the Olympic Stadium. Okay, it is a symbol of commitment. Commitment why? Because you should be committed to some duty. As Philippides was committed towards his duties. He was committed towards his duties, towards his loyalty, and he was knowing his duty, what was his duty and what was his priority. So you should be committed towards your duty. Your endurance means how much power you are possessing. Okay, and the willpower, that is the Ichha Shakti. That if you are not having the willpower, you can't perform anything. So, it is a symbol. What is the symbol? Of which it is the symbol? It is the symbol of marathon race. Okay, of what? Marathon race is the symbol of commitment, endurance and willpower towards the sportsmanship, of how much committed you are towards your sports, how much power you are having and how much willpower also you are having in you to perform your deeds towards the games and sports. Okay. Now here comes the India's participation towards the marathon. What is prestigious about India in marathon race? Okay. Fort Sill. It is a blessed name for India. Why it is a blessed name? Let us see. First thing, properly known as Turban Tornado. Why turban? Because he was sick by religion. Okay, he was sick by religion and he has ran his last full marathon at Tornado. So he was also known as Turban Tornado. Became the oldest man to run a full marathon. A full marathon was of 42 kilometers and 195 meters. Okay, so he was the oldest man to run a full marathon at the age of 100 years. Of which age? Of 100 years in Tornado in 2011. In 2011, he ran a full marathon at the age of 100 years. So he was properly known as the Turban Tornado, and he finished the race in 5 hours, 40 minutes and 1 second. The total time he has taken to complete the full marathon was 5 years, 40 minutes and 1 second. And at the age of 103 years, okay, it is a very much difficult job for a person to run at the age of 103 years. Okay, but he has ran. At the age of 103 years, he ran 10 kilometers of marathon. Okay, he has ran 10 kilometers of marathon on 24th Feb 2013 in 1 hour, 32 minutes and 28 seconds. That was his endurance, that was his willpower. That is the symbol of Olympic Games. Okay, because of his willpower and endurance power, he was able to finish his 10 kilometers of marathon race only in 1 hour and 32 minutes and 28 seconds at Hong Kong, where it was performed at Hong Kong, and got retired from competitive events. After that, he hasn't ran in any competitive events. But still, he is moving, he is going on because of his endurance and willpower. Okay, so this was the whole story about the Olympic Games, how it started and how it had taken the modern form, why it had taken the modern form, why the distance of the Olympic run or the marathon run was increased by 2.195 kilometers, and how it is run and what are the symbols of Olympic Marathon Games or the marathon run. Okay, so I hope you would have understood the whole story about the marathon race, about the symbols it is denoting and the story behind it. Okay, thank you students very much.